Have you ever felt like you're trying to sleep in a sauna, tossing and turning through a steamy night? Imagine trading that discomfort for the serene embrace of a cooling comforter. Yes, it's a thing, and it's revolutionizing sleep for the warmer souls among us. Imagine it's the middle of the night, and instead of sleeping, you're in a battle with your comforter. Not too cozy, right? Overheating during sleep is a complaint heard in many households, leading to interrupted sleep and groggy mornings. With rising global temperatures, this issue is becoming increasingly prevalent. The consequences of poor sleep stretch far beyond just feeling tired. Lack of proper sleep can affect mental health, physical health, and overall quality of life. But what if there was a straightforward solution to this hot mess? Enter the cooling comforter, a game changer for those in pursuit of a cooler, more satisfying sleep. So, what exactly is a cooling comforter? Unlike traditional comforters that are designed to trap heat, cooling comforters are engineered to help maintain a comfortable body temperature throughout the night. They are usually made from special fabrics like bamboo, cotton blends, or engineered fibers that promote breathability and moisture wicking. These comforters utilize advanced technologies such as phase change materials, PCMs, that absorb and release heat according to the body's needs, providing a dynamic cooling effect. The goal? To keep you cool, dry, and asleep all night long. Sleeping cool isn't just about comfort, it's about health. Studies have shown that the optimal temperature for sleep is around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the body can better initiate and maintain sleep, leading to deeper, more restorative sleep cycles. Cooling comforters can help in maintaining this ideal sleep environment, thus potentially reducing the risk of developing sleep-related disorders such as insomnia and sleep apnea. Additionally, maintaining the right temperature can help in optimizing hormone levels, including those related to stress and metabolism. While anyone might enjoy the benefits of a cooling comforter, certain groups might find it particularly beneficial. For instance, individuals experiencing menopause often suffer from hot flashes and night sweats, which can be alleviated with the use of a cooling comforter. Similarly, athletes or physically active individuals might find cooling comforters helpful in regulating their body temperature for muscle recovery and overall comfort. Anecdotes from users like Sarah, a menopausal yoga teacher, highlight how a cooling comforter has transformed her nights. It's like someone turned off the furnace in my body. I can finally sleep through the night again. The market is awash with various types of cooling comforters, each claiming to be the best. From comforters filled with gel fibers that dissipate heat to those made with natural materials like bamboo that naturally regulate temperature, the options are vast. Some of the popular brands include the Buffy Breeze, the Slumber Cloud Cumulus Comforter, and the Brooklinen Lightweight Down Alternative. Each brand offers unique features, such as hypoallergenic materials or extra breathability, catering to different preferences and needs. The science behind cooling comforters is fascinating. By regulating the microclimate of the bed, these comforters reduce the likelihood of waking up due to discomfort from overheating. This uninterrupted sleep cycle is crucial for entering deeper stages of sleep, such as the rapid eye movement, REM stage, which is essential for cognitive functions like memory and learning. Studies have also shown that sleeping in a cooler environment can increase the volume of brown adipose tissue, also known as brown fat, which helps in burning calories. Thus, a cooling comforter could indirectly support weight management efforts. Cooling comforters can also have a surprising beneficiary: your skin. Overheating during sleep can cause excessive sweating, which may lead to skin irritation and even acne. By maintaining a cooler sleeping environment, these comforters can help reduce sweat and the likelihood of skin irritations. Dermatologists like Dr. Emily Wise speak to the benefits. Maintaining a cooler sleep environment can significantly reduce the incidence of sweat-induced dermatological issues. It's a simple change that can have profound effects on skin health. In an era where sustainability is key, it's important to consider the environmental impact of our choices. including our bedding. Many cooling comforter manufacturers are taking steps to reduce their environmental footprint by using organic and recycled materials and by ensuring that their production processes are as eco-friendly as possible. However, as consumers, it's crucial to do our research and support brands that are committed to sustainability. This not only helps in reducing the negative impact on the environment, but also promotes a healthier lifestyle. Maintaining a cooling comforter is not particularly challenging, but it does require some specific care to ensure it continues to perform at its best. Most cooling comforters are machine washable, but it's important to follow the care instructions provided by the manufacturer. Regular cleaning helps maintain the effectiveness of the cooling technologies and extends the life of the comforter. It's also important to ensure that the comforter is completely dry before use, as dampness can affect its cooling properties. Investing in a cooling comforter can range from moderately priced to quite expensive, depending on the brand and technology used. While it might be tempting to go for cheaper options, it's crucial to consider the durability and effectiveness of the comforter. A good quality cooling comforter might seem like a significant upfront investment, but when you consider the benefits of improved sleep and health, the cost can be justifiable. Additionally, choosing a product with a warranty or a trial period can provide additional assurance and value for your money. If a cooling comforter doesn't seem like the right fit, there are other cooling bedding options to consider. Cooling pillows, sheets, and mattress pads also offer temperature-regulating features and can be used in conjunction with or as an alternative to a cooling comforter. Comparing these options can help you tailor your bedding to perfectly suit your thermal comfort needs, enhancing your overall sleep experience. Feedback from users who have tried cooling comforters generally leans positive. Many report significant improvements in sleep quality and comfort. However, it's important to note that experiences can vary depending on personal preferences and environmental factors. Negative feedback often revolves around the maintenance of the comforter or mismatches in expected versus actual cooling effects. These reviews can provide valuable insights and help potential buyers make informed decisions. When shopping for a cooling comforter, consider the following factors: material quality, breathability, moisture-wicking capabilities, and durability. Read reviews and product descriptions carefully, and consider contacting manufacturers for any clarifications. Also, think about your specific needs. Do you need a comforter that is hypoallergenic? Are you looking for something that is easy to clean? Answering these questions can help narrow down your choices and lead you to the best product for your needs. Cooling comforters are more than just bedding, they are a lifestyle upgrade. They promise not only enhanced sleep quality, but also offer health and environmental benefits. Whether you're struggling with night sweats, looking to improve your sleep hygiene, or simply want to stay cool, a cooling comforter could be the solution you need. Remember, the right sleep environment is crucial for effective rest, and choosing the right cooling comforter can be a pivotal factor in achieving that. Happy cooling, and here's to better nights ahead.